Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an honest review of Gauth AI, formerly known as Gauthmath, one of the most popular AI-powered homework helpers in 2025. Is it really worth your time and money? Let's break it down. Gauth AI is a learning assistant platform focused mainly on math, but it also handles physics, chemistry, and word problems. You can access it via the website at gauthmath.com or through their mobile app. The standout feature? You just snap a picture of your question and it gives you step-by-step solutions, powered by both AI and real tutors. Let's take a look at the main tabs on the site. 1. Ask a question, upload a photo or type a question. It uses AI to solve problems instantly. 2. Live tutors. If AI doesn't cut it, you can connect to a real human tutor for a detailed explanation. 3. History. This saves your past questions so you can revisit them anytime. 4. Gauth Plus. The premium plan, it gives you faster answers, access to live tutors, and ad-free use. The user interface is clean and super intuitive. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll get around easily. Here's what we liked. Super fast responses, especially for math problems. Very accurate solutions with clear steps. Live tutors add a human touch for tougher problems. Great for students from middle school to college level. Affordable compared to private tutoring. But it's not perfect. Some word problems can confuse the AI. Live tutor sessions may have a slight delay depending on traffic. Free version has limited daily questions and includes ads. Subjects beyond math are still in development, not as strong. So, is Gauth AI worth it in 2025? If you're a student who struggles with math or wants quick help with homework, yes, absolutely. The free version is decent, but Gauth Plus is where it really shines. It won't replace a full-time tutor or teacher, but as a study buddy, it's one of the best tools out there right now. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Gauth AI, drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech reviews. See you next time.